Hello guys, in this lecture I am here with new video on knuckle joint. And previous video I showed you that how to make the part, first part of the knuckle. I already show you this how to make this part. So now today I am going to show you guys how to make this second part. So before I already told you in previous video, I already told you that if you want to make any, so take it as a note. So guys, if you want to be a good if you want to good at a CATIA or any other 3D design, you need to think of a way that how to make this the given body or given figure with more simple in a more simple manner. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make it with mirror command. So first of all we will make this half part and then we will mirror it, because it is the this is the advantage of symmetriness. So how to create symmetriness? First of all, this is an axis from where it is this is an 36 the distance between them, and it is mirror about this point. And we will take the origin at 13 and we will create a one plane from here. So it is 18 mm above. So if you are now what I am telling you is going from apart from your head, so I will do it by practically. So now first of all go to the start and mechanical design and select this plane, this one plane, this is xy plane, and go to the plane command. Okay, first of all, and you can do it by another thing. First of all, go to plane and just select xy plane. So now I want offset of 18. Okay, so now select this one and go to sketch and just select this mirror command. Many of you are not telling this how to do it in YouTube video. Maximum people are just doing by themselves without telling anything. So I am going to tell you each and everything that what I am going to do. So now go to this and select this and 60. So if you here is the diagram. I will not show you in every time. This I already take this photo in my mobile, so you can do what I had done, and just click the photo on your mobile first of all, and then we do not need to see it every time. So okay, now go to this command, go to here and go to this is an what is this is of how much, this is of 22. Okay, I'll see it. Okay, this is 22. Now say okay. Now go to this command and just select. Now here before this semicircle is made, there is a straight line. So this distance is, we will calculate it. What is the distance? So first of all you have to divide 109 by 147, then you will get 38 distance. This one is 38. And now this is from this center is in 60 dia and its radius will be 30, means it is of 8 mm long. So we will make this one. So now I am going here and I am going to create okay. First of all you have to create this one. Go to okay. First of all select this project 3D element. Select this one. Okay, no this. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, you have to go there and select this project 3D. Select this one. Okay, now you have to go and draw. Okay, don't draw this center rectangle, draw this rectangle. Okay, Now you have to give this as a coincidence, okay, and then give this as your distance of how much. So I will show you the distance. This is 36 and this is of inner radius of 18. 36 minus 18, it will give 18. So we'll make it 18. No problem, guys. Now how to make symmetry? Select this one, and about which you want to symmetry. This one, constant defining dialog box, go to symmetry. Okay, no problem. Now what is the upper part? This is the what is this dimension? This dimension will be, what is this dimension? This dimension is 36. Okay, no problem. Okay, this is of how much? 36. Now go to exit workbench, and from now go to there and select this one and go to this construction. Okay, make it dotted line so that you so it is not create. So I will show you what is the error it will show you when you go to the pad command. Now I am going to pad command. Okay, it will show me the contains several open and profile. So if you see this, so you have to understand, remember this one. So select okay, on click it, go to this one and select this one and just hidden it, so by the dotted lines. So now it's okay. Now go to okay, it will not show any error. So it from here, from this center to this is the distance of what? It is of distance of 38. So now this is of distance of 38. Okay, no problem. Now this is your required. Now go to select this surface and go to sketch. Now it will show you guys this one. Okay, now we want in this way. So after that you have to select this one and go to this project 3D. Now you have to okay, now you have to just select this one and then go to select this one. Okay, now we are where we are here, means we already made this 8 distance by 38 by extruding it. And now we have to make outer and inner radius, outer of 36, inner of 18. So no problem, I am going to make the circle of how much? This circle, outer circle of 72. Now it is matched with this. So now you can also say that this one, and now unclick it and zoom it. Okay, go to here, it will show dot point. Okay, select this one and this circle and go to constant interval dialog box, coincidentity, not coincidence, select coincidence. Okay, now no problem. What is okay, no problem. From here you draw it and delete this one. So now go to this circle command and go to here and draw a circle. And what is this? This is the diameter of 18 into 2, 36. Okay, select this one and this dot and go to constant dialog coincidence. Okay, it is already coincidence, no need to give this coincidence, otherwise it is over constrained. So now Now we already obtained this. Select this one and just this one. Okay, now go to trim command. Why I do this, I will show you. Otherwise it will show open profile, give this error, already show you. Now delete this one also, and now it is here. Now go to exit workbench. Now you have to extrude it. Okay, it is of 36. Okay, in each side it is of 18, so use mirror extend. Okay, now it is exactly match with this. So now you have to click this one, no, not this one, this YZ, and go to plane and create a plane. Now we have to make this square, but we are in, this is the axis line, upper part will be 18, lower part will be 18, so we are mirror it after then. So no need to make it 36, we will make it 18, and this part is 36. We will make a rectangle of 36 by 18. So to do this, we have to create the plane here. The distance here is 38 plus 36 will give us it, total is 74. Okay, now I will give here 74. Now it is created here. I will go here and just select sketch. Go where it has gone. Okay, I will select this one. But this is here. I will zoom it. Now you have to go here and create a rectangle. Okay, a rectangle of upper part of 36, and then this part is 18. Now further part, what you have to do is first select this one and this. First of all, you have to make this symmetricity. First of all, select this part and this part, and about which you want to make symmetricity, about this vertical. So now constraint define in dialog box, symmetry. Okay, it is matched. Now you have to go here and this one, constraint define in dialog box, coincidence. Okay, now exit workbench. So after then go to extrude command. Now what is the length of this extrude? So from here, from 36, 109 minus 36 to here, it is of how much distance? 109 minus 36, it will give you 36, means it will give you how much? 109 minus 36, it will give you 73. Okay, what is this? Okay, go to here and give 73. Now it is created here, but we want this part to match here. So how to do it? I will tell you some extra. See now extra thing. Go to more, and in second limit give the dimension of how much, so that it will match it. Give this of 10. Okay, it create error. So go to here and give this one is 10. Okay, Control Z. Go this one. This is 73. Mirror up to next. Okay, just click here, up to next. Okay, no need to do this one. So you have to go not dimension up to next, and it will automatically, okay, Control Z. Okay, go to more, up to next. Okay, no need to do anything. So now it is our, it is look like, are you seeing, this is look like half part of this our what, our knuckle joint or not. So now you have to now this last part will make it after last and after final round. So you have to go here, and now we will make, just look here and go here. Okay, where it is, now drag it. Which one is the part? Okay, this is the part. Select this one. Now we'll make this one. So now you have to go and select this profile, select this, like this, like this, and this one. So go to here and just select this one, just select this part and this part, constant dialog, coincidence. Okay, now select this part, constant dialog, coincidence. Now it is coincide, but I want this part. Okay, I will redo it. Now you have to select this part, this one, and this one, coincidence. Okay, now you have to go this one and this part, constant defining dialog box, coincidence. Okay, now you have to go this one and this one. Okay, go to constant defining dialog box, coincidence. Okay, now you have to give the dimension. I'll give the dimension of 8 mm. This one is 8, and now I'll give, this one is 8. Okay, so I have to mirror it, about which, axis you want to mirror it. I will mirror it in this. Control this, Control Z. Select this one, this part, and go to mirror command and select this one, whether it will give me or not require. Okay, no problem guys. Exit workbench, zoom out. Okay, I will select this pocket command, and it is of distance, where how much distance this slot or contour is created. It is up for 45 distance. Now go to here and go to select this one, this is a 45. Okay, no problem. Now it is created. Now you have to give this fillet command also of 8. Okay, it is not taking 8 because it is too large. It is 6. Okay, 6 also not taking. I'll give this one is 5. Okay, and similarly this one, go to, so now zoom to fit. Now it is your required part is obtained. Now we have to make this hole of 30 dia. So now I will go here and choose this one and go to pocket. Okay, it select directly to the center. So now I will give 30 dia. Okay, no problem. Now this is actually your half symmetric part of your knuckle part, this part. So now you have to make, now last part is you have to make this semicircle. Okay, we'll make it. Okay, we'll make it now, we'll not make it after. So select this one, I'll select this one, go to sketch. Okay, zoom to fit. Now I will select this as my this one. Okay, now I'm going to here and selecting this. What is the dimension of this one? So okay, it is of dia 30. I'll make it of 30. Okay, now I will select this line. Okay, now I'm going to use this trim command. Okay, now I already told you that if you make this projected 3D element line, so select this line and just hide it, and just do it as a represented by dash line, so that it is invisible in the 3D design. Now you have to go pad, topologically invalid profile. Okay, what is this invalid profile? Okay, it gives me some error. Okay, it is not joint here, so I will go here and I will select this one and this dot, so is dotted line. Okay, go to exit workbench. Now again it is okay, I already select this as a, okay, I will, now you have to go to select this one. Now it will show the solid line. Okay, otherwise it will first unclick it. I will already show you that what type of error we may encounter while doing this type of problem. Okay, now it will not show any error, and I will give this as a 20. Okay, now this is our mirror part of this. We already make. Okay, here is a problem, it is created half, so I will just not blind, up to next, select up to next. Okay guys, so that it is through. Now this is the exactly symmetric part of our desired knuckle joint. So now the final step is to make just mirror, choose mirror, choose this one, okay, escape, choose this. Okay, I'll choose this one, this one, okay, I will choose this whole part body and go to mirror command, and about which you want to mirror, I will select. Okay, I will show you. Why is not working? Why? Where is my cursor, guys? Now I want to show you. Where is Okay, okay, this twist now. Okay, okay, now this is the plane about which you want to make this mirror command. Okay, say okay. Now here you can see 3D zoom to fit. Now how lovely it looks, so lovely guys. So now we finally get our this surface. Now I am to show you this is with some fillet, so I will also make this fillet. So now I will select this one and go to mirror it. Okay, do you want to add accessibility to page? Already defined. Okay, I'm going here and selecting. Okay, I will undo it and we will go here and I'll select this one and go to this. Okay, it already is doing this. Edges to keep. Okay, okay, now what I done, you already saw it. I go to here and edges to keep, select this upper part. Now this is the required. So now select this part body and go to mirror and mirror it with respect to this part. Okay, this is our required knuckle joint another part. So thank you. If you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you all.